Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to Darul Arqam School, Gori Town Phase 1. Today we are going to learn about lesson number 8, electricity. In this lesson you will learn that electricity is a form of energy. Main electricity is made in a power station. Batteries and cells are used to store electricity. Electricity can be dangerous. It is useful and we must not waste it. Textbook page number 59. Let's start reading. Electricity help us to do many tasks. Electricity help करती है मुख्तलिफ कामों में. You cannot see electricity. Electricity को हम देख नहीं सकते, but you can see where it is working all around you. लेकिन ये हमें दिखाई देती है अपने इर्द गिर्द काम करती हुई. So dear student, look at this picture all of you. Electricity is used for ironing clothes, watching TV and switches the light and fan. Main electricity and batteries. Main electricity is produced in a power station. Electricity को main electricity को power stations में पैदा किया जाता है. It is brought, इसे लाया जाता है to your houses through thick wires called cables. इसे हमारे घरों तक लाया जाता है थिक वायर्स, जिसे हम केबल्स कहते हैं, उनके ज़रिए. दिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज़ वेरी पावरफुल. All electrical things in your house can run on this. So dear student, look at this picture. This is the picture of power station and these all are thick wires called cables. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है पावर स्टेशंस में. पावर स्टेशंस में प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद थिक वायर्स के ज़रिए, जिन्हें हम केबल्स कहते हैं, उनके ज़रिए हमारे घरों तक पहुंचाया जाता है. मेन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैन बी वेरी डेंजरस. यू मस्ट फॉलो सेफ्टी रूल्स when you use main electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत ख़तरनाक है, इसलिए हमें जब भी इसे यूज़ करना है हमें सेफ्टी रूल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए. सो नेवर प्ले विथ इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट्स और वायर. हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल सामान के साथ और तारों के साथ प्ले नहीं करना चाहिए. Never poke things into electric sockets. हमें इलेक्ट्रिक सॉकेट्स में कोई भी चीज़ नहीं डालनी चाहिए. Or touch bare wires. Never touch plugs or electrical equipments with wet hands. हमें गीले हाथ से इलेक्ट्रिकल सामान को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. Batteries and cells. Batteries and cells are used to store electricity. The batteries and cells are used in remote control, flashlights, toys, clock, radio, and calculator. Some large batteries are used in automobiles. Batteries operated machines are much safer to use than those operated by main electricity. बैटरी से चलने वाली मशीनें बिजली से चलने वाली मशीनों की निस्बत ज़्यादा महफूज हैं. Though you still need to be careful, लेकिन अगरचा आपको अभी भी मोहतात रहने की ज़रूरत है. Batteries contains chemicals that could hurt you. Follow the rules and stay safe. Do not damage batteries and put them in your mouth. Thomas Edison, an American inventor, he invented the first electric light bulb in 1879. He invented many things we use today like the microphone, He became successful because he kept working hard and did not give up. So, dear students, all of you revise this lesson, be carefully. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much, dear students.